Friends, welcome to the class. Today we discuss some question on applications of trigonometry. So to start with the first question, a ladder leaning against a wall makes an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. If the foot of the ladder is 2.5 meter away from the wall, then find the length of the ladder. Let's draw the picture. So from the picture it is clear that AC is the ladder and BC is the wall. Given that AB equals to 2.5, that means the distance of the ladder, the foot of the ladder from the wall. AB is 2.5 meter and angle CAB equals to 60 degree. So in right angle triangle ABC, sec of 60 degree is h by b, or it is nothing but sec of 60 degree is nothing but AC by AB, because here AC is the hypotenuse and the base is AB. So 1 by 2 plus 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal to AC by 2.5, or nothing but AC is 2.5 into 2, which is 5 meter. Hence, the length of the ladder is 5 meter, is the answer. The next question states, a peacock is sitting on the top of a tree. It observes a serpent on the ground making an angle of depression 30 degree. The peacock catches the serpent in 12 seconds with a speed of 300 meters per minute. What is the height of the tree? Let's draw the picture. Let's see is the position of the peacock and A is the position of the serpent. Given that angle DCA, because angle of depression, it is given that the angle of depression is 30 degrees, so angle DCA, this angle is 30 degree. But angle DCA and angle CAB are nothing but the alternate angles. So we can say angle BAC equals to 30 degree. Now we know distance equals to speed into time. So AC is nothing but 300 into 12 by 60, or it is 60 meter. So in right angle triangle ABC, sine of 30 degree is P by H. But what is P? P is BC and H is AC. So sine 30 is BC by AC, or putting the values 1 by 2 equals to BC by 60, or BC is nothing but 30 meter. Hence, the height of the tree is 30 meter, is the answer. The next question states, a window in a building is at a height 10 meters from the ground. The angle of depression of a point on the ground from the window is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the point P is 60 degree. Find the height of the building. Let's draw the picture. Let AB is the building, R is the window. So given that BR equals to 10 meter, angle QRP equals to 30 degree and angle BPA equals to 60 degree. Now from the picture it is clear that angle BPR equals to angle QRP because alternate angles, so we can write angle BPR equals to 30 degree. Now in right angle triangle BPR, tan 30 equals to P by B, or putting the values we can say P by B is nothing but BR by BP. So 1 by root 3 equals to 10 by BP, or BP equals to 10 into root 3. Again, in right angle triangle BPR, tan 60 equals to P by P, or it is nothing but tan 60 is AB by BP, or it is nothing but root 3 equals to AB by 10 root 3. So AB is 10 root 3 into root 3, which is nothing but 30 meter. That means the height of the building is 30 meter, is the answer. The next question states, from the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation at the top of a cable tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the foot of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Let's draw the picture. So let AD is the height, 7 meter equals the height of the building, and BC is the height of the cable tower. So from the top of the building D is the point. The angle of elevation and angle of depression are angle CDE equals to 60 degree and angle EDB equals to 45 degree respectively. Now D is drawn, so the DE parallel to AB, so we can write AB equals to DE. Now angle EDB equals to angle ABD, or it is equals to 45 degrees, which is nothing but because it is alternate angles. Now in right angle triangle BAD, tan 45 degree equal to P by B, or it is equals to AD by AB. Now putting the values, 1 equals to 7 by AB, or AB equals to 7 meter. Let this is first equation. Now in right angle triangle CED, tan 60 equals to P by B, or it is equals to CE by DE. Now putting the values, tan 60 equals to CEP minus BE by AB, or it is nothing but root 3 equals to CB minus 7 whole divided by 7. You can write CP equals to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Hence, the height of the tower is 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter is the answer. The next question states, if two towers of height x meter and y meter subtend angles 30 degree and 60 degree respectively at the center of the line joining their feet, then find the ratio x is to y. Let's draw the picture. Let AB is the tower of height x meter and CD is the tower of height y meter. Let E is the midpoint of AC. So we can write AE equal to EC equal to AC. So, and angle EAB equals to 30 degree and angle CED equals to 60 degree. Now, in right angle triangle BAE, tan of 30 degree equals to P by B, or putting the values 1 by root 3 equals to AB by EB, or you can write X by A, or X equals to A by root 3. Let this is first equation. Now, in right angle triangle DCE, tan of 60 degree equal to P by B, or putting the values root 3 equals to DE by CE, which is equals to Y by A. This implies Y equals to A root 3. Then this is second equation. Now, X is from equation 1 and 2, X is to Y is 1 by root 3 is to root 3, which is nothing but 1 is to 3. Hence, X is to Y equals to 1 is to 3 is the answer. The next question reads, two ships are in the sea on the either side of the lighthouse in such a way that the ships and the base of the lighthouse are in the same straight line. The angle of depression of the two ships as observed from the top of the lighthouse are 60 degree and 45 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 200 meter, then find the distance of the two ships. Let take root 3 equals to 1.732. Let's draw the picture first. Let PM is the lighthouse of height 200 meter, and A and B are the two ships on either side of the lighthouse, such that the angle of depression of A and B are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. So now, angle XPB equals to MPB equals to 45 degree is alternate angle, because the angle of depression is nothing but this XPB is 45 degree and YPE is 60 degree. So here XPB is nothing but PBM or MBP, and YPA is equals to MAP, because these are alternate angles, so we can write angle MAP equals to 60 degree. Now in right angle triangle AMP, tan 60 equals to P by B, or putting the values root 3 equals to PM by AM, or alternatively root 3 equals to 200 by AM, or AM equals to 200 by root 3. Now in right angle triangle BMP, tan 30 equals to P by B, so putting the values we get 1 by root 3 equal to PM by BM, or 1 by root 3 equals to 200 by BM, or BM equals to 200 root 3. So the distance between the two ships AB, or AB is nothing but AM plus BM. So putting the values from equation from the above, we get AB equals to 200 by root 3 plus 200 into root 3, or taking 200 common, it is 200 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by root 3, or it is nothing but 315.48 meter. Hence, the distance between the two ships is 315.48 meter is the answer. The next question states, a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with wind in a horizontal line of height 88.2 meters from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Let's draw the picture. Let AD equals to 1.2 meter, the height of the girl standing on the horizontal line AB. Let FH equals to EB equals to 88.2 meter, that is the height of the balloon from AB. And the angle of elevation, FDC equals to 60 degree and angle EDC equals to 30 degree. Now, MG equals to EC equals to 18.2 minus 1.2, or it is nothing but 87 meter. Why is subtracted? Because this is the height of the girl, and from here we can get the angle of elevation which has been given. It is from the point D, not from the point A. So we have whatever calculation we try to take, we have to take CD as the base, not AB. So the distance traveled by the balloon is nothing but HB, or it is equals to GC. Now in right angle triangle FDC, tan 60 equals to P by B. Now putting the values, root 3 equals to FG by DG, or it is nothing but root 3 equals to 87 by DG, or DG equals to 87 by root 3. Then this is first equation. In right angle triangle EDC, tan 30 equals to P by B, or we can write 1 by root 3 equals to EC by DC, or it is in nothing but, what is DC? DC is nothing but DG plus CG. So what is EC by DG plus CG? Now we can, by putting the values, it is we get 1 by root 3 equals to 87 by DG plus CG, or DG plus CG equals to 87 root 3. Then this is second equation. Now putting the value of DG from equation 1 in equation 2, we get 87 by root 3 plus CG equals to 87 root 3, or CG is nothing but 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3, or it is nothing but 87 into 3 minus 1 whole divided by root 3, which is nothing but 58 into root 3. Hence, the distance traveled by the balloon during the instant is 58 root 3 meter is the answer. The next question states, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane, is surmounted by a vertical flag of height h. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the tower is h into tan alpha whole divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Let's draw the picture first. So let height of the tower OP be h, and R is the point on the plane so that the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Now given height of the flagstaff, say PF equals to small h. Now angle PRO equals to angle alpha, and angle FRO equals to beta. Now in right angle triangle POR, tan of alpha equals to P by B, or we can write PO by RO. So we can write tan alpha equals to H by RO, or we can write RO equals to H by tan alpha. Let this is first equation. Now in right angle triangle FOR, tan beta equals to P by B, or it is equals to FO by RO. So tan beta equals to FP plus PO whole divided by RO, because FO is nothing but FP plus HO, FP plus PO, sorry, FP plus PO. So we can write RO equals to FP plus PO by tan beta, or it is small h plus h whole divided by tan beta. Then this is second equation. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, we got different values of RO. That means we can say from equation 1 and 2 we have h by tan alpha equals to small h plus h whole divided by tan beta. Or doing the cross multiplication, we get h tan beta equals to small h into tan alpha plus h tan alpha. For taking capital H one side, capital H into tan beta minus tan alpha equals to small h tan alpha, or it is nothing but h equals to small h into tan alpha whole divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. But what is h? H is the required height of the tower. Hence, the height of the tower, capital H, equals to H tan alpha, H into tan alpha, whole divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Hence proved. Next question states, the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the plane is flying at a constant height of 3600 into root 3 meter, find the speed of the aeroplane. Let's draw the picture. Let OX is the horizontal ground and A and B are the two positions of the plane, and O is the point of observation. Now, AC equals to BD equals to 3600 into root 3, the height of the plane, and angle AOC equals to 60 degree and angle BOD equals to 30 degree. Now, in right angle triangle OCA, cos 60 degree equal to B by H, or you can write it as OC by AC. So putting the values 1 by root 3 equal to OC by 3600 into root 3, or you can write OC equals to 3600 meter. And in right angle triangle OBD, cos 30 degree equal to B by H, where it is nothing but OD by BD. Or putting the values root 3 equals to OD by 3600 into root 3, or OD equals to 3600 root 3 into root 3, which is nothing but 10,800 meter. Now CD equal to OD minus OC, or putting the values of OD and OC, we get it is 10,800 minus 3,600, which is nothing but 7,200 meter. So the distance traveled with the plane in 30 seconds is 7,200 meter. So we can write the speed. We know the speed of the plane is distance by time. The speed is 7,200 by 30, which is nothing but 240 meter per second. Or if we convert it to kilometer per hour, we are getting it is 864 kilometer per hour. Hence, the speed of the airplane is 864 kilometer per hour. Is the answer. Let's see the next question. The next question states, a ladder is leaning against a vertical wall at an inclination alpha to the horizontal. Its foot is pulled away from the wall through a distance p, so that the upper end slides a distance of q down the wall, and the ladder makes an angle beta with the horizontal, so that p by q equals to cos beta minus cos alpha whole divided by sin alpha minus sin beta. Let's draw the picture. Let AB and SQ are the two positions of the ladder, making an inclination alpha and beta with the horizontal respectively. Given that BQ equals to Q and SA equals to P, now in right angle triangle BAO, cos alpha equals to B by H, or it is nothing but OA by AB. So we can write OA equals to AB into cos alpha, and sin alpha equals to P by H, or we can write it as OB by AB. So OB equals to AB into sin alpha. Now in right angle triangle QSO, cos beta equals to B by H, or it is OS by SQ, or OS equal to SQ into cos beta. But what is SQ? SQ equals to AB, so we can write it as AB into cos beta. And sin beta equals to P by H, or OQ by SQ. So OQ equal to SQ sin beta, or we can write AB sin beta. Now SA equal to OS minus OA. So we can write P equal to AB cos beta minus AB cos alpha. Taking AB common, it is AB into cos beta minus cos alpha. Let this first equation. And BQ equals to BU minus OQ, or it is AB sin alpha minus AB sin beta, or it is AB taking AB common, AB into sin beta alpha minus sin beta. Let this is second equation. Now dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get P by Q equals to AB into cos beta minus cos alpha whole divided by AB into sin alpha minus sin beta, or AB gets cancelled in both numerator and denominator. We get PQ equals to cos beta minus cos alpha whole divided by sin alpha minus sin beta. Hence proved. Friends, Many of the questions that we discussed here already appeared in previous CBSE board exams. So these questions will be very much helpful from your exam point of view, but these questions are not uh, enough. You need to practice more and more such questions. And in case you come across any difficult question, do share your question with me. It will be a pleasure for me if I can help you out in solving your doubts and solving your question. So this was for today's class. Thank you.